Hi and welcome to Fluff Up. Our new sewing project is the winter bear. I am going to go from the sketch to the plushie. Like we did for the summer bear, our construction is based on Keegan's book on how to make stuffed animals. And I scaled up this pattern so that the body of the bear is at least 4.5 inches. To start, we cut the shapes out of the fabric and pinned the smaller pieces together. I also pinned the top of the snout to the forehead and the sides to the flanks of the body. Remember to sew the pieces with the pattern of the fabric on the inside, since we will later turn it inside out. For now, I'm just pinning the belly to one of the sides and we will do the other side later. And now we can start the sewing. For the winter bear, I used the same fabric for the whole body. Everyone knows snow stops being fun when it stops being fresh, pure white snow, so I didn't want a difference between the white of the belly and the rest of the body. Now that most of the body is sewn together, I can attach the forehead. The fabric shifts a lot, so I had to be really careful so it wouldn't move while sewing. When we're sewing the back of the bear, we leave a small opening which we're going to use to flip it and also to put the stuffing later. The next step is cutting the excess fabric around the curves so that they will be rounded once we turn it inside out. I planned and made the holes for the eyes. I added a little bit of fluff so I could check how the face would look. Finally, I stuffed the rest of the bear and hand sewed the opening closed. The last step is to attach the ears and the tail, trying really hard not to let the thread show. There we have the winter bear. I like to think that I have definitely improved, but there's still a lot to learn, so I hope you join me in my next sewing video, which will be the autumn bear. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.